we're going to talk about the ladies. We're going to talk about women who are flocking to the gold and silver stacking community. CoinShop Chris and I had a very interesting conversation on that very subject, and we want to touch on that tonight because we are more than happy to welcome all the women that are joining us in Ron's Basement, more and more by the day. You're going to be astounded by the statistics of what is going on. Let's talk about the influx of women into the stacking world. CoinShop Chris and I were talking earlier today, and he was saying even at the coin shop where he works, there's more and more women who are becoming interested in stacking. And and I can tell you, I kind of joked with them. I said, well, see, that proves that women are smarter than men after all, right? But I also told him that on my channel, on Ron's Basement, I get all this data, right? And I'm not a big data guy, but I do look at it from time to time. Like, you know, most of my viewers are from USA, but there's a lot of you from all over the world, right? Canada, South America, Asia, Australia, everywhere. Everybody's welcome, including women from day one. But there were from day one, it was like 3%, 4% women that watched my videos. And I used to tell my wife, I said, I think maybe it's like my girlfriends from college. I don't know who's, I don't understand why there's only 3% women. That number has been skyrocketing. That's now up to almost 15%. And again, I asked CoinShop Chris, I said, do you think, Chris, it's because of my dashing good looks? And he didn't answer me. And I asked him again. I said, no, Chris, do you think it's because of my dashing good looks? And then he has this funny giggle that he did. And he said, you have to leave that between you and Susie. So the fact of the matter is, and it's awesome, right? Because when we're here together, cellar dwellers, there's one thing that binds us together, and it's not that we're men or women or Americans or Argentinians or Australians. There's one thing that binds us together, amongst other things, but the one key thing that binds us together, and that's silver, okay? Gold, too, if you love gold, or platinum for Neil Hahn from Neil Hahn's Dynasty, the platinum guru, right? That's another person the Silver Dagon Club may want to get in touch with is Neil from Neil's Hahn Dynasty. He is the platinum guru, but the metals bind us together. We'll just say silver. If you're looking to buy gold, silver, or platinum, do yourself a favor and check out Pimbex, the online precious metals bullion dealer and sponsor of Ron's Basement. I was a happy customer before they offered to support the channel. You'll find they have the best prices, quality, and service. I think Pimbex is best, and you will too. And be sure to tell them that you're from Ron's Basement. So the fact that we're seeing more and more women come into the stacking community, you are welcome, okay? And it's awesome that you're here, and I hope to see those numbers continue to grow because we get more men, we get more women that are into protecting themselves, protecting their wealth with silver, with gold, with platinum, with real assets. That's what we're after. We want to get the word out there. And by the way, we got 100 thumbs up. At 100 thumbs up, I ring that darn bell 10 times. More the merrier, right? Like we're at the silver and gold to precious metals summer camp together. We're all sitting around the campfire, huh? Talking our silver and our gold. CoinShop Chris had a great idea. He said, see if some of the women will send you their story. So if you want to email me, my email address is always in the description of every video. Email me your story and let me know what prompted you to get interested in stacking. I'm always interested to hear from you. When we talk about gold, we're talking about silver. Gold is like the big brother to the little brother silver. And I can't say this enough. And maybe I'm not the best explainer. I'm trying to become a better explainer, but I want to explain something that we think is negative, that's actually a massive, you know how sometimes they say your weaknesses are your strengths? Well, think about this. Right now, the sentiment, the feeling for gold and silver are at near all-time lows, okay? I'm talking general market sentiment, especially when we look at the mining stocks, near all-time lows. Overall, this is what I'm hearing. Even in the gold, like the physical gold market, the way they can measure sentiment, it's near all-time low. Okay, that's bad, right? Boo-hoo, let's go cry. No. There's something super positive and great that could be skyrocket for the gold price and the silver price. Hear me out. Investing in silver and gold can be difficult at times. I want you to know you always have a refuge here in the basement with me, where we can have some camaraderie and support for one another as we navigate these choppy waters. I'll put out a new video every day, something valuable about silver and gold. It would be my honor if you join me. Please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Gold's within striking distance of an all-time high. Sentiment's at an all-time low. Gold price, striking distance of an all-time high, okay? So let's say gold goes to an all-time high, right? And we still have bottom of the barrel sentiment. And then once gold gets to an all-time high, maybe then CNBC and the Wall Street Journal, maybe some people start talking about it like, hey, gold's at an all-time high. So then suddenly the sentiment also improves. But the sentiment doesn't improve until we're already at an all-time high, and it just pushes it even higher. That's why I'd say we could go from $2,200 gold to $2,500, $2,600 gold in a snap. In a real snap. It could be super, super exciting.